Hey guys, here we have Chops, Mittens and Mason. Mason thinks he's a dog and Chops is wondering, what the heck is he doing? And then Mittens came out because I rattled my Malteser Buttons treats for tonight, and Chops is stood there wondering what's going on. Hey Chops! Hey? You're wondering what's going on? Yeah, with his wagging his tail. And there's Mittens. So everyone's wondering what Mason's doing, because Mason wants to be a dog. And he's rolling the ball with his nose, backwards and forwards. And Chops isn't even attempting to get the ball, because I think he's just as intrigued as Mittens is. Down here, look. But Chops wants to join in now. And now Chops is dropping a ball at my feet. That's Mason's ball, the yellow ball. Where's Chops' ball? There. Where's Chops' ball? There, look, Chops. Go get it. No? You get it? Get it, Chops. Mittens will get it. Ah! Mittens is playing with it instead. Oh my God. Now Mason's off to sleep. And Chops is saying, excuse me, that's my bed. And he says, right, I'll have this ball then instead. And Mittens is thinking, what are you doing? Chops is thinking, how come that kid's in my bed? And he wants to play ball because he thought he was playing ball, but he's not. This is one crazy house. So thank you for watching this crazy video.